people all gathered round. They saw something in his eyes they had not seen before. They listened as he began to speak like no other man, and they knew that he was the one when they heard him say, Yo soy el camino, yo soy la verdad, y yo soy la vida, el Salvador, y nadie viene al Padre sino por mí. Venga y del agua de vida tomar.
He came to the common man with words we could understand, and they found themselves drawn to him.